Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me the Southwest pattern and wanted to know how to connect it all. There are some broken corners, and actually you've got two colors. This is a 80% black. This is a 100% black. You can just tell it if you zoom in, two different colors, and then there's a couple other things. When you zoom out, you can see some thicker lines. Well, these lines are double. If we take that line right there and just delete it, I'm using the shape tool, and there's a few more that look like double lines. It's an easy fix, but I think that's all of them. But if you look, all the corners are, and I don't know if you want straight corners like that or beveled corners like that, but the easiest way to fix this is the Smart Fill tool. Let's draw a rectangle around our item, and let's set our nudge factor on like 3 inches. And then let's take each line and fill it in with the Smart Fill tool. And then nudge it down. Nudge it down, nudge it down. I don't know, this would engrave without doing this, quite possibly. I'm just a little bit concerned about the chamfered corners. But then if you look at it now and we take the whole thing and we right click in red and make it a hairline, if they were going to cut this out, all the double lines are gone and all the corners are squared off. And it's all one piece with the exception of these inner parts. So if you cut that out, this isn't going to work, because if you cut this out, that piece, the whole piece is going to fall. So this would have to be something you have to engrave. So to engrave it, you would just make it black, take away the outline, and that would engrave. I'm hoping that was the help he was needing. Pretty cool design. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.